What's up guys, we're back with another truck of the week. This one is a brand new 2020 F350 Lariat Sport package that we have put our Sparks motors, diesel power gear touch on, and we're pretty proud of this one, so I want you guys to check it out. So with these new 2020 Powerstrokes, this is the first time that they've paired the 10-speed automatic transmission. So we're looking at 475 horsepower with 1,050 torque. So this thing runs really good just stock. So to start out with, we did a 6-inch super lift custom powder coated by me with prismatic powders. I did mixed berry over super chrome to give it that anodized red look. Paired with the super lift suspension, we have Fox shocks. And to light up the suspension, we have Pro Comp rock lights that are color shift, and we like to keep them on red to kind of accent the red highlights. So it has 37-inch Legion tires, and they are wrapped around 22x14 black Rhino wheels that started out black and milled, and they've been custom powder coated by me to match the suspension. That was a really tedious task, but I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. And then to accent the wheels, we have wheel lights that are also color shift. So it just lights everything up and they look really awesome. And then we have custom vinyl detailed center caps by Vinyl Works, and it has the Diesel Power logo on it. And then of course Vinyl Works also did the wrap on the body of the truck, and that looks awesome too. So my favorite part of the whole build has to be the custom emblems. I love little details like this, and especially when so much hard work went into them. So these were handmade by our fabricator at the shop, Rush Kane, and then powder coated by me. And they've got the Predator logo on them because that is what we named the truck. And I just love little custom details like this. So another couple little details, we have an RK Sport hood and Mag High-Tech custom powder coated diff covers to match everything else. So I hope you guys enjoyed this truck as much as we enjoyed building it. And if you guys liked this, like the video, comment, and let me know what else you want to see for Truck of the Week. We'll see you next week.